What's up, guys? Welcome back to another 6-liter video. Super excited for today's install because we're going to be doing the #1 most requested modification by far, that being upgrading our tow mirrors. Now, if I'm being completely honest, I kind of like the factory ones. They're not bad looking and they have some pretty good options. So power adjust, heated, lights in the side. They are manual extend and fold, which is probably the reason why this one is busted, because you can't just hit a button and fold them in as you're backing out of the garage. And then if you're not paying attention, you'll end up hitting it and doing it exactly like this. But with that said, it's no longer going to be a problem because we're going to be upgrading to a new generation power fold, power extend LED switchback tow mirror, and it's going to look absolutely killer. So of course I had to hit up my boys over at Boost Auto. They have two different styles for this generation Ford. I asked on my community tab which route y'all think we should go with, and I was leaving it up to y'all. Thankfully, y'all pretty much overwhelmingly picked the one that I originally thought looked better. Even though more people have ran these than the other ones, it's for a good reason. These things just look absolutely killer. Just want to grab this guy firmly, pry it straight to you. And you can go ahead and pull these grommets out. You got 4 bolts holding the mirror on. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Ford pretty much nailed it with these door panels. They've got to be the easiest to take apart and put back together, and there's really no way you're going to break them like on some of the other trucks. Grab you a small pry tool, come to the front of this panel, go straight up, pop that free, move it forward. There's a little tab right here. Then got 3 connectors on this side, 2 on the passenger. This green one can be a little bit fun. There it is. Finally. Now you've got 2 7mm bolts, one right here behind your plugs. And then the other is hiding behind this little reflective piece. Just get your pry tool, pop it out. Apparently some models, maybe the crew cabs, come with a light right there. Mine does not have it. Get your wires out of the way, grab hold, lift it up. She's free. Now you got 4 7/32 screws holding your speaker in. Pop that guy free. Push down and unplug. Now just go ahead and peel this liner back. Plug for the mirror. It's going to be right here. Just push in. Work it out. Push it through there. Now there's nothing else holding it. These are 7/16. Got it. Pry this 20-year-old mirror off. See what kind of goodies we find behind it. Remove the adapter harness from this wire while you try to run it through the door. Then you plug it back in once everything is through. Goes down through the square, not the circle. And make sure you have one of the nuts handy, as you're not going to want to figure out how to grab one of those and this not fall off. Just try to get all 4 of these nuts back on there without dropping them. That's really the hardest one right there because it's the farthest away. You can go ahead at this time and plug back in that adapter that I was talking about. And then you do have 2 wiring harnesses. Get the one that has the 2 white ends and 1 black. Go ahead. Run the black through right here. And if I can get this out of the way, you're going to be plugging in to the harness that just came with the mirror. They can only go in one way because there's a male and a female. So there's 1, and there is 2. You can actually go up through and plug into the original location like that. Now you can get your second harness, get the guy that has the 2 black connectors on the end, send them down through here. And then these are going to be plugged in to the other 2 right here. Like that. Now go ahead and get all your wire, run it through here. Pull your slack out of this. We're gonna zip tie all this out of the way so it doesn't get tangled up with your window assembly. It's your first harness. All that has to come through. Now go ahead and get the green plug, find the pink wire, and put one of the T-taps on it. And then you want to get the opposite corner black wire and do the exact same thing. And then grab your harness where you have the T's and put the black with the black. And put the red on the pink. Just like that. All right, now we got to put our little box on. So we're gonna mount it right here, facing down, right here where there's nothing behind that. It can kind of squish in. So let's go ahead and mark it. Which side do we want? We'll do this side right here. Hook your little hole. Then this side, do 1 hole, 2 hole. So over here, we'll just zip tie it around the corner, just like that. Just go ahead, go down 1 hole, back up the other. Come on. Strap it on down. Now we're good to throw it back on. Now once you zip tie your wires out of the way, put your speaker back in. Now we take our door panel, pick these wires up, just hook it right here on the bottom. You got 2 different ones, so they can only plug into the correct one. No, and yes. That's in. All right, now you want all this kind of right here in the center, and then this comes up through the panel, of course. There we go. Just line it up. Get all the little arms into place just like that. It slides in beautifully. Green goes to the back, blue in the middle, clear up front. Tuck the back in, make sure it's lined up. Done. Last piece of the puzzle. Let's see if she works. Oh yeah, she do. Gonna walk y'all through the mirrors real quick. I've already gotten them adjusted, and how freaking sick. I can see so much more of the truck. I love it. But let's go through the sequence. So hit your left indicator, left twice, right twice. You heard it beep. Pull down, they will fold in. What up? Push up, they will fold out. Yo. Then if you want to extend them, you hold it left. That's so sick. And then if you want to bring them back in, hold it to the right. Yeah, that's freaking baller. Sometimes you just gotta turn your 8,000 pound F-250 into a sports car and send it through the corners. All right, guys, well, there it is. I think Gamble looks absolutely killer with the new Boost Auto tow mirrors. It is such a big improvement. The LED on the side, the new style, just literally everything about it. And having the power fold and extend, which works perfectly. Definitely gonna be using that because I do park this thing in the garage and I have hit the mirror on it. Not sure if I'm the one that busted it or not, but either way, won't have to worry about that again because we can just boop, 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 flip them in and pull in and back out, no problems. I think, oh man, it turned out amazing. Install wasn't bad at all. Literally the only thing you had to change was just popping a little hole to zip tie the box in. Other than that, everything is literally just plug and play and is working perfectly. Also, I don't know if Lauren got that clip good, but you know, I bogged down on her a little bit and I think we rolled a little cold, baby. Great success. Send me the moon tune, baby. Come on, I'm ready to roll some gold. I drove all over the place today. Honestly, it's been so hot. I have been a little bit concerned. I've also been driving this thing kind of spiritedly. Yeah, probably getting a little bit too comfortable in it. Hopefully it doesn't bite me, but man, super fun truck. It's been driving flawlessly. Temperatures on trans and engine have been perfect. Literally, the truck has been absolutely perfect. I freaking love this thing. I say it in every video. I have enjoyed it more than I thought I ever would. And we are just getting started on this bad boy. So yeah, let's hope the trend continues. But I will definitely have a link to these specific lights in the description, as well as Boost Auto's full website. In case you don't have a truck just like this, there's a good chance they have a mirror for you. And this is my second set and I am loving it. Got them on the Duramax, got them on here. No complaints whatsoever. They are very high quality and obviously very easy to upgrade to power. So that's freaking sick. But anyways, with that said, we're about to go get on the lake. So hopefully you did enjoy this video. If you did, leave a like, drop a comment, check out the links in the description. Subscribe if you're new, ring that bell notification, and I'll check y'all boys in the next one.